Welcome. Now I analyze the harvesting of tomatoes by using if function. I have prepared different types of data in a table. If function is a logical function. If function is used to test values on a given condition. It returns value on a given condition is true or false. I will test different values or text on a given condition is true or false. In column B, weather header shows different types of weather. I will test formula on a given condition. If a day is sunny, then the harvesting of tomato is ready. In column C. In column E, I will test formula on a given condition. If the height of plant is equal and greater than 4, then the size of plant is large. So, if function is a function that returns value on a given condition. The condition may be true or may be false. The if function returns value in a number or text. In if function syntax, you can see there are three arguments. In first argument, we set condition. In second and third arguments, we set text or numbers. If condition of first arguments is satisfied, then if function returns value from argument second and third in a given cell. Now I test if function in column C. In formula you can see I have set condition sunny day. If the text of cell reference B19 is equal to sunny day, then function will return text ready. Now, if the text of cell reference B19 is not equal to sunny day, then function will return text not ready in a given cell. Now, active a cell C19. In Formulas tab, click Logical button. Select if function from the list. The function arguments dialog box opens. In Logical test, select the cell reference B19, type equal sign, inverted comma, type sunny day, inverted comma, press tab key. Type ready in this box. Again press tab key. Type not ready in this box. Click OK. Function returns not ready because cell reference B19 is not equal to sunny text. Now move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Excel automatically pastes the formula in other cell. Now activate cell C20. Now you can see function returns ready in cell C20 because text of cell B20 is satisfy the condition. Then function returns the text ready in a cell C20.